neighborhood of 7,000 or 8,000 horsepower by itself. They shake the earth, but nothing like what you are about to experience. What are my kids up there? Okay, you're under. Had a good time? Raise your hand, give me a woo! Elaine doesn't have her mic in. She can't do it, so she wants to hear everybody go, woo! Comes to life. Twisted Air comes to life. In the photo lane, the Cobra Jet comes to life. This is one of the most amazing things I have ever been a part of. It is happening here at the Ditto Tire All-Star National. Cobra Jet, Twisted Air, Elaine Martin in the Amarillo Drag Store, right here in front of you. They don't get out of the way as quickly as possible. Chris Larson, crew chief for the Amarillo Dragsters, jumps into the center. He doesn't give the signal for Elaine Martin. Now we talked about it earlier. Sterling and Dubai. The dragsters in the money car. The guy with our head, we think he's going to beat up on it. We're going to find out right here. Murder for life. Put your hands together. Let me see what you stand up to those feet.
Produces a nice solid 650 and runs out the top end charge at 270 miles an hour. Ladies and gentlemen.